It starts with a vision, not just for a structure, but for a country. At DECAST, we don't just build infrastructure, we forge the literal foundations of Canadian life. From the tunnels, water mains, and sewers that lie deep beneath our feet, to the bridges above that connect our communities, it's manufactured right here in Ontario. Behind every ton of concrete is a team of over 700 experts, engineers, tradespeople, and innovators. Operating within one of the largest, most advanced indoor precast facilities in North America, we control every variable. We are 100% Canadian-owned, 100% Canadian-operated, and 100% committed to the communities we call home. DECAST, proudly Canadian and proudly building for the generations of the future.